Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Of course, give all the permissions if you're opening it, alright, try now, for the very first time. And here we've got our standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on the settings, which are in the right upper corner, because unfortunately the timer option is not available here on this panel. So the settings in the right upper corner, and now we have to scroll to find the timer. As you can see, it will be in this, I would say, general section. So let's tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I will choose 10 seconds. Now we can go back, and unfortunately it is not notified right here that we've got the timer set, but that's okay. So let's simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 to, I believe, or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So basically this is how it works. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on the settings again, tapping on the timer and tapping on off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.